Let's do some trader talk now with Michele Schneider of the MarketGauge Group. Good to see you there, Michele. And someone put it on Twitter, and I'm hearing this from time to time, that people are equating what's happening now to what happened just before the financial crash of 2008. I just don't see it happening. I think this is a different situation. What do you have to say?
Well, what's different about 2008 and now that has to be really put into the equation when you start to thinking about long-term investing and whether or not October is the big generational buy, is that after the big crash in 2008, first of all, it was very specific to the mortgage debacle. And yes, we lost Bear Stearns and Lehman Brothers, and that's why people are thinking companies like Credit Suisse can just go under. But we had the Fed come in to save the day in 2009. And that's basically what they've done on every downturn since until this one. So that's why I think you're seeing that doom and gloom, is because people are saying the Fed's not going to come in and save the day. And if for some reason they did reverse policy at this point, they do it at the risk of maybe putting some level of calm in the market, but spiking inflation to a level unseen. And what my biggest concern is that either way, we are seemingly at some kind of a precipice of unrest all over the world. I mean, how long can people sustain higher interest rates for one, even if they came off a little bit, higher food prices for two, and now you have OPEC plus threatening to remove more oil from the market, so possibly back to higher energy prices before they go, enough is enough.
What's your trade of the day, Mish?
Well, with that, I think that, I know we've talked about this through the years a lot, but I still really think you have to look at what's the perfect hedge in complete uncertain times where there may be hoarding. And that brings me always back to the precious metals. So silver has just made a huge move off the lows. And gold now looks like it may be following the miners. So I wouldn't say specifically which one of the three, but all of them look very, very interesting right now as they're starting to pick up. Even in the face of the market declining, gold and silver have continued to outperform this year. So that's where we're looking.
Thank you, Mish. That trend has been your friend.
Thank you, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.